今天，中国人民完全可以自豪地说，改革开放这场中国的第2次革命，不仅深刻改变了中国，也深刻影响了世界。40年来，中国人民依靠自身的智慧和勤劳的双手，在风雨中砥砺前行，迎来了从站起来、富起来到强起来的历史飞跃，开启了中华民族伟大复兴的光辉路程。中国开放的大门不会关闭，只会越开越大。中国推动更高水平开放的脚步不会停滞。中国推动建设开放型世界经济的脚步不会停滞。中国推动构建人类命运共同体的脚步不会停止。
This is CNC World, a new perspective.
海龟，他们的一生是传奇，也注定充满艰辛。他们能回到几千公里之外的出生地，却无法躲避来自人类的伤害。过度捕捞、白色污染、栖息地的丧失，严重的威胁着海龟的生存。人们对海龟制品的青睐，导致它们遭到大量非法捕捞和贸易。请拒绝购买任何海龟制品。
没有买卖就没有杀害。 Good news! We have a business show for you, Economy Report. We'll deliver the latest in worldwide news, with an emphasis on review and analysis. We draw our material from key company, macroeconomic, and international events. Whether you're a professional investor or a casual watcher, the show is going to help you make decisions. You can watch Economy Report every day on CNC World.
I'm off on the holes. And every year, hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people like me, travel to Asia on their holidays. Some, like myself, go there to see the wildlife, to enjoy it in the wild, in the natural environment. But one thing you've got to remember when you travel to Asia is not to bring any of that wildlife or any part of it home with you. You see, if you're shopping in a market and you see a coral bracelet, remember that the coral looks better on the reef. If you see a snake skin or a turtle shell, remember it looks better on the snake or the turtle. And if you buy it, you simply promote the trade. And it's a trade we've got to stop. We've only got one world. We've got to look after it.
CNC World News will bring viewers a fresh and fast-paced take on events from around the globe, harnessing a network of hundreds of correspondents based in every continent of the planet. World News gives audiences the news as it happens. Every day, everywhere, CNC World News.
What's happening in Hollywood? Who won the big game? What are these people celebrating? For the answers turning to lifestyles, we have the worlds of entertainment, culture, and sports covered. Joining us on Lifestyles and CNC World.
Coverage, updates on major political, economic, and social events. We're correspondents stationed across the country.
Here in Batang,
The expo site in Beijing.
China Report is set to provide viewers with the latest from this rising power. Tune in to China Report on CNC World.
Hello and welcome. You're watching World News on CNC World. I'm Zhang Zhao in Beijing. Our top stories. The death toll of a deadly tsunami in Indonesia has risen to 373, with nearly 1,500 others injured. US President Donald Trump has lashed out at the Federal Reserve again amid continued stock market plunge. First, in Indonesia, The death toll of a deadly tsunami triggered by a volcanic eruption has risen to 373, with nearly 1,500 others injured. Rescue efforts have continued amid challenges from bad weather and damaged access, World News reports.
Hundreds of military personnel, police, rescuers, and volunteers were conducting search and rescue in the affected areas along the coastlines of Western Java and southern Sumatra Islands.